Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Lizard channel. So friends, today I will talk about GEEKOM's XT12 Pro. So friends, GEEKOM XT12 Pro, a new mini PC that rocks an incredible Intel Core i9-12900H processor, and it is now available for pre-order. And the unit comes with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, 1 TB SSD, licensed Windows 11 Pro. It is priced at only $699 and friend. The GEEKOM XT12 Pro employs a unibody aluminum chassis that measures 117 by 111 by 38.5 mm and 0.5 liter. Anodized matte finish gives the mini PC a refreshingly gorgeous look, and the minimalistic design make it DIY customization easy and friend as small as it still packs with a wide array of I/O, including two full-function 40 Gbps USB 4, 4 USB Type-A, two HDMI 2.0, 2.5 Gbps Ethernet port, 3.5 mm audio jack, and friend. It is built upon 10 nm process and features 14 CPU cores, 20 threads, and 24 MB Intel Smart Cache packaging a ton of horsepower. This chip is designed to see power users through commanding computing tasks such as software programming, 4K video editing, and intensive data analysis. And friend, the retail unit will ship with 32 GB dual channel DDR4, 3200 MHz RAM, 1 TB M.2 2280 PCIe 4.0 by 4 SSD, and both the RAM and the SSD are replaceable. There is also an M.2 2242 slot for you and add an M.2 SATA SSD. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.